Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to KTVision, and hey, what's up if you're new here? My name is Katie. I'm a special education teacher in Minnesota on summer break, and today I thought I could share some more outfits with you or give you a little summer outfit inspiration. If you've been watching, you know that throughout the school year, I love doing week of outfits, so I would just, every day when I got home, I would just share a little clip of what I wore that day. And during the school year, I was getting ready for work every day. Now that it's summer, it's a little hit or miss as far as if I decide to get ready or not. Today I do have some plans with friends later, so I figured I would take this opportunity to just share a few pieces with you that you can totally rock this summer. In a lot of my videos, I feel like I just try to, or in most of my videos lately, I feel like I would just share outfits of things in my closet. It was nothing new, things I already owned. And my hope is that that would just inspire you to find pieces in your own wardrobe to pair together, to come up with make outfits that you love. Recently though, and for this video specifically, I wanted to make sure I share a few pieces with you that I can link that you can also hopefully most likely get your hands on because they are newer pieces. So I have 3 tops to share with you, and I want to share a pair of new jeans that I think you're gonna love. So I think what I'll do, I'm gonna show you 2 of the tops with, I'm just gonna pair them with these black high-rise shorts. I did get these from Target, the Wild Fable brand. I believe I got them last season, so I don't know if you can get your hands on these exact ones, but I will do my best to link these. So yeah, like I said, I'll share 2 tops with, I'll keep these shorts on, and then the last outfit I share with you, I'm gonna show you an awesome, beautiful top that you can get and the pair of jeans. So stay tuned if you want to get a little summer outfit inspo. All right, so this is the first top. I've worn it. I believe I wore it in a previous, yes, I wore it in a previous video, but I wanted to make sure I showed it up close and just talked about it a little bit more, and then I will go ahead and put it on so you can see. This is a top from Target, the Zoe and Liv brand, and it does say Yosemite, beautiful, just mountain picture. It says California. The back is plain, nothing on the back. I went ahead and ordered this, or I bought this in a size large. My go-to size is medium, and I figured I would appreciate more of the loose fit. I think the medium would have done well, but I really wanted this to fit a little more loosely. That way I can either tie it up or tuck it in. So let me put this on and show you what it looks like with the shorts. So here it is. I just love the color of this. It's like a sagey, well, kind of just like a green. So like I was saying before, you could just tuck it in like this. You could do a little knot. And I did wear this in a previous video, I remember, because I paired it with a black skirt. I think that worked. That was really cute too. You could totally pair this with some just cute sandals or sneakers. I do have my Pumas. I'm gonna try these on and see how this looks. Super cute. So I love how the sneakers pair with this. I would definitely wear that. So yeah, again, I love this top. I might actually wear it today, now that I'm thinking about it. All right, so this is the first top. Like I said, it's from Target. I will link it. I got it recently. They have so many more, I feel like, graphic tees. I know that those are definitely in right now, so there's a lot more to choose from. I just really appreciated this color. I like the color scheme here, and I like the large, I think the block print. Something about that I really like too. All right, so here is the other tank, or the other top I wanted to share with you. Again, just wanted to give you a close-up before I try it on. This is the Universal Threads brand from Target. They came in a few different colors. I just liked how neutral this one was. I figured I could pair it with black, white, denim. You could wear green, you could wear green. Any colored pant I feel like it would look nice with. So just a pretty basic like muscle tank. And I did get this one in size medium, which is my typical go-to size. So let me put this on with these shorts and show you what it looks like. All right, so here is the second top. Yeah, I just threw it on, like I said, like I did with the other one, just over this black tank top. And it is this nice like muscle tee. The back looks like this. And without it tucked, sits just like that. That is not my favorite look. I really like it more when I can tuck it in. There, tuck it just like this. You could do like the other one, you could just tie a little knot. Always an option. Make it a little more cropped. Or you've probably seen this, but I've been trying this more often. It all depends on the shirt, but this one's long enough and loose enough. You can kind of just tuck it up under your bra. I really like how that looks. I might actually wear this tonight. We shall see. It is hot out, so might be a good option. All right, and last but not least, I'm going to share with you the last top, and then I'm going to share the new jeans with you as well, and then I'm going to change and put on some shoes too, just to show you a whole outfit idea. All right, so this is the last top that I'll be sharing with you today. This is a beautiful red tank top. It has this beautiful button detail down the center with just a beautiful little lace detailing. And I do believe, yeah, so all these buttons are functional, so you could unsnap them to do, you could throw it on over a swimsuit, have it open, whatever you want to do. The straps are also adjustable, and I like how thin the straps are. But yeah, super cute. Pretty lightweight material. I did just pick this up. So I picked this up from an awesome boutique. They are an online boutique. They also have a couple storefronts here in Minnesota. The boutique is called Threads & Co. Beautiful. Love this shop. I'll insert some pictures. I was able to try on this top and the jeans yesterday. And no, not yesterday, 2 days ago. So many other pieces that I wanted to grab, but maybe I'll share some pictures here of some of the other pieces I was able to try on. And I will definitely link these. You should be able to get your hands on this. I think there's other colors of this. And then the jeans for sure, I feel like you're gonna love, so just wait. Okay, so here are the jeans. The color is considered light. This is the brand. Risen jeans. I had not heard of these until I went to Threads & Co. and tried them on. I also tried them on in a darker wash, which I also loved a lot, but I wanted to just pick between the two. So for now, I just got this pair, but we shall see how long I last before I buy the other pair. So this is the wash, and these are amazing because look at that. These are a wide leg. These are a high-rise wide flare jean. And before I tried them on, I was so skeptical. I'm like, no, I don't think I can pull those off. Like, they're cute. Those are for some people, but not for me. But I put them on, you guys. I really liked how they fit. I liked how they looked. And the comfort level, so stretchy. So these are great. I'm going to put on that top. I'm going to put these on, and then I'm going to throw on a pair of shoes too that I got recently that you can hopefully get your hands on too. I really love both of these pieces. Let me talk about the tank top first, or I already showed it to you, but again, just these thin straps, and they are adjustable, which is really great. Just a nice feature depending on your body type and how you want it to fit. I have mine pretty tight. I could loosen a little bit, but I don't want it down too low, you know? So really cute. You can just kind of tuck it if you want to, or just let it hang. I think I've decided I'm wearing this top for the 4th of July. I think that'll be perfect. And I got a size medium in this. I feel like, I mean, I could probably get away with a small. That probably would have been okay too, but I really did like how it was a little more loose fitting. And like with all the other pieces, I feel like I feel like I could probably unbutton a couple of these and then tie it if I wanted it to be a little more cropped. So now let me show you give you a better look at these jeans. All right, so here they are. I said they are high rise, wide leg. They are Risen jeans, and I haven't heard of this brand, so maybe I'm just missed the memo, I guess, but these are phenomenal. I love the wide leg. Like I said, I was not sure how I would feel about these. Just looking at them, I didn't think wide leg was for me, but I've come to really appreciate them, and I love how they look with a wedge or a heel. And I went ahead and threw them on with these heels. I'll give you a better look at these two. So I got these recently from Target. They are the A New Day brand. I love the texture on the heel, and the heel is not too tall, and I like that it's a little more, it's like thick. It's not so thin. Pretty sturdy. I love the neutral color and the square toe. I had seen so many of these. I saw I think some from Steve Madden that I wanted, but they're a little more pricey, and I wanted to be able to try these on. So I tried these on in store, and I snatched them in my regular size 8.5. All right, you guys, so that is all for my little summer outfit inspo. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I'm gonna link everything down below. Like I said, I think you should be able to still get your hands on all of these pieces. If not, if I notice that some of the sizes are out or things like that, I'll do my best to share some similar items. Today, I'm mainly highlighting Target and the wonderful boutique Threads & Co. Alright you guys, so stay tuned for more videos like this. If there's certain videos that you would like to see from me, feel free to leave those ideas in the comments. I'm always looking for suggestions. Thanks so much for watching. Take care guys. I'll see you in my next one.